In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record an asset purchased with a loan in QuickBooks Online. When you buy something big for your business, like a vehicle, machinery, or computer equipment, and you finance it with a loan, you want your books to show two things clearly: the value of the asset you now own and the loan you owe back to the lender. We'll do this in two main parts. First, setting up the right accounts in your chart of accounts, and then creating a journal entry to record the purchase itself. Let's start with the chart of accounts. In QuickBooks Online, go to the Settings icon, the little gear at the top right, and choose Chart of Accounts. This is where all your accounts live: assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. Click the New button to create a new asset account. For the account type, choose Fixed Asset or something similar that fits long-term items your business uses over time. In the Name field, give it a clear, descriptive name so you instantly recognize it later, like business vehicle, computer equipment, or office furniture. Once you're happy with the name, click Save and Close. This account will hold the cost of the asset you purchased. Next, we need an account for the loan itself. Click New again to add the loan liability account. For the account type, choose long-term liability or loan payable, depending on how your chart is structured. Again, name it clearly, such as equipment loan from bank or vehicle loan, so you know exactly which debt this account represents. Then click Save and Close. Now you have both the asset account and the loan account ready to use. With the accounts set up, we can record the actual purchase using a journal entry. Click the plus Create button at the top of QuickBooks Online and select Journal Entry. On the first line of the journal entry, under Account, select the asset account you just created. In the debit column, enter the full purchase price of the asset. This increases the value of that asset on your balance sheet. On the second line, under Account, select the loan liability account. In the credit column, enter the amount financed by the loan. This records how much you owe. If you also made a down payment from your bank account, you'll add a third line. Under Account, select your checking account. In the credit column, enter the down payment amount. This reduces your bank balance and completes the funding of the purchase. Once all the amounts are entered and the debits equal the credits, click Save and Close to record the entry.